Hey,
I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life. Well, holidays are just about here.
Yep, next week.
We're super excited because we're doing a big family vacay.
Yeah, the first time in like forever. I was telling Tyler the other day. I was getting teary-eyed. I was like, I don't remember the last time my family went on a vacation. This is gonna be so amazing.
I know, the kids usually, because my husband has always worked nights and weekends, it's the mom vacay. And then dad drops in for a day or two.
Yeah, if that. So
this time it's
gonna be awesome.
It's a new experience for us. We're excited.
We're excited. So anyway, holidays. They're just around the corner.
Holidays. And so I had this experience the other night. Holiday party that Scott forgot to tell me about.
Until like what, a few hours before?
Well, the day before.
Okay, that's good. You have like
so I did have 24 hours, but you know, then it's that, what am I gonna wear? What am I gonna wear? And it's always a struggle. I don't know why it's a struggle, but
because you want to look good, that's why.
But you want to be comfortable too, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So we thought we'd do a video about how to take stuff you wear every day and turn it into something that is good for a party.
Ooh, yeah.
So we're starting with the concept of black leggings or jeans or tights, because just about everybody has
a pair of those.
One of those three.
Yes. So
let's see, what are some things that we can do?
Well, I thought that, you know, we always talk about proportion, and I thought that this fun, longer blouse, and it could be any blouse, it doesn't have to be a striped one, obviously, and then this cropped sweater over the top with some leggings. So it kind of looks like yeah, it looks nice. There's a mirror right here. It looks good. So you have the cropped sweater and then the longer.
So you're playing with proportion.
Yeah.
I think the other thing is that you can take something really, really simple, like a blouse and a sweater.
Yeah.
And by changing your shoes and your jewelry, you can completely change it up. So
we're going to do that.
We're going to show. Okay.
So we're back.
We switched it up a little bit. Cecilly, I love the way that looks. The way you broke up some stripes. It's a nice longer blouse. This is a simple way to create a little more elevated look from your leggings.
So I got this shirt at a thrift store, and it's a little bit larger than the size I would normally like buy. And I like to do that because I like the length on the blouse. It's already kind of a longer blouse, but I bought.
You get a little bit extra.
I found like an extra large size, and I got it. So I was like, this is awesome. But one thing that I like to always remember is like the details in an outfit. So you could leave it totally like this.
Yeah.
But I think it looked better.
Oh, cute. Just giving a little bit.
Maybe if I can do it.
Especially if you've got a contrast underneath.
Yeah.
Go ahead and add that. It's just a tiny little detail, but
look, it just like
the visual interest just pops it up.
Change it, and then your collar. And then I thought, what else would I wear?
I think it's so interesting how quickly this went from grocery store to party
in like seconds.
Yeah, just by popping the cuffs on your sleeves and throwing on the heels.
And then we could do like a necklace too. Necklace.
This guy?
Sure, let's do that.
Yeah, just a little bit of bling. It doesn't have to be something uncomfortable. If you're not a bling person, then don't go over the top, because you want to be comfortable and you don't want to feel like you're wearing somebody else's clothes. I think that's the most important thing. It's got to be something that's comfortable for you.
Okay, I got it.
Cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Done.
Yeah, great.
Ready to party.
My office called. I had an office. They said this was great.
Our holiday party for this made up life, pretty much, I guess it could be anything we want. We'll have to think of what that holiday party looks like.
Holiday party.
It's just
the two of us. It's going to be great. Stay tuned.
You guys are all invited. That's what we'll do. We'll invite our friends. So,
now what are you doing?
So I'm still sticking with the jeans because I'm determined to make these black jeans holiday ready. But, so I put on boots.
over the knee. Those are so cool. I need to find a pair. Get it? I'm dying to find a pair of over the knee boots that are good.
These were from Zara a couple seasons ago. I got them on a really awesome sale, and
Their sales are so.
that's kind of how I roll. Is if I can find it on sale, then
I definitely need it.
I just went with a little bit of an oversized blouse. But let's be honest, I would not be comfortable going just like this.
No, you need that third piece.
I need a third piece. So I have a couple of options. I could do just a simple belt, but it's still just not giving me the full vibe. Ooh. Ooh la la. A pirate.
A pirate's life for me.
Ooh. But you throw on a little bit of texture, so velvet,
Lace,
lace,
sequins,
leather, or faux leather, and automatically you just have, it's a little bit elevated. Now we lost the pirate look.
Yeah.
And it just kind of gives it a little bit of something, something.
Did we lose the pirate look?
Oh.
Let me see. Yeah, we kind of lost it. What do you think?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Yo ho, yo ho.
Okay, so what else would you put with this to make it less piratey?
Let's try a blazer. Lots of people have blazers, right? Is
Yeah.
this a blazer you were bringing?
Hey, I use my son's, this is my son's blazer from ages ago at someone's wedding. And it just elevates it a little bit.
That's nice. And then you need some kind of.
And then a little bit of jewelry.
Yeah, that's nice.
And
it's like
earring.
super casual. So if you don't wear skirts, you don't wear leggings, you don't wear the sequin pants that I want so bad, you can just wear these black jeans.
Stuff that you've got in your closet. You elevate it up just a little bit, and boom, holiday look. All right, let's try one more. So here we are. We switched it up. We went with something a little dressier. Cecily, I love those earrings.
I know, aren't these so fun? I got these at Nordstrom Rack.
They're like these
I'm
multicolored
dying. It's
tassels.
What do you call this? Like streamer stuff? I don't know.
Yeah, like
Tassels. Yeah.
tinsel.
Tinsel. That's what it is. Tinsel.
I mean, you could literally go get some
Tinsel.
tinsel.
You could literally just put tinsel in your hair.
But a little tinsel, a little lip, and then you've got this great
sequin
dress.
Yeah.
And you're wearing it over the
leggings
the leggings still. And I love that you're going to be that much more comfortable because you're not trying to sport like this little tiny short dress.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, super fun.
Super easy. And again, I'm sticking with the jeans. I wanted to see how many ways I could dress them up.
Yeah, you did so good.
I've got this great bougie blouse. I love this. And I went with a wide belt.
Nice.
And then some really fun heels.
Always helps to have some fun heels.
But then the piece de resistance came from a thrift store, like always. Especially for dressy clothes,
Yeah.
I love going to a thrift store because most of the time when you find things that are sequined or they haven't been worn much. I mean, people buy them for a single occasion and then they end up at a thrift store.
And then I buy them and keep them forever.
So just throw on a little glitz and
looks so good. Way to go.
These earrings are fun.
Where did you get them?
These were like one of those super, like $2 a pair from
Alibaba or something?
Yeah, some
Awesome.
overseas site.
Great.
All right, so just some quick, easy ways to dress up stuff that you've already got in your closet. Check the thrift store, add a little bit of glitz, a lip,
Maybe some
heels, or at least
sparkly shoes.
Sparkly shoes.
Yeah.
I even have, if you grab my Doc Martens right there, I even put this fun bow on my Doc Martens, and if I shined these up really good, I mean, it's just another great option that elevates something that you would wear every day. Oh, sorry.
That was loud.
I just threw that.
Awesome. Well, if you like the video, you know what to do.
Be sure to like it,
Share it, follow us,
and
subscribe.
Subscribe on YouTube. We love doing these, and we want to be able to bring you content that is interesting to you. So be
Relevant.
sure and comment below if there's something we can address in a future segment.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Happy holidays.